Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys know that I love to prank babe, but it's never easy to prank him. And when I get the moment to prank him, honey child, I take it. So, we're home today. He's home from work today, working from home. He's in the room working right now. I just put Sarah down for a nap. And I'm in Tyler's room just beside Sarah's room, so I can't talk too loud because I don't want him to know that I'm up to something because he's so smart. Anyway, by the title of this video, you know what's up. I am going to pretend crying in Tyler's room with the door closed to see how Babe would react. So I'm gonna set up this camera in the toilet across from Tyler's room and set up my phone in here and see what he's gonna do. Pretend like I'm on my phone with somebody talking. So first thing I need to do is put my phone on silent right now, so that way if it rings he doesn't think anything. So hopefully I can pull this off. I'm gonna set up my phone right here. Hopefully I can pull this prank off on babe. So let's go. Wish me luck. Hello? What do you mean? Oh my god! No! No! What do you mean? What?
What's going on?
I don't want to talk right now. I can't believe this. Babe. What are you doing? What you doing?
What you mean what I'm doing? I'm behind the door. What's going on?
You sure you're ready to hear? Huh?
Okay.
You sure you're ready to hear? You close the camera!
Oh. You know, figure out at the end. At the end when you say, you ready to hear, say what's going on, that's all left. I said, let me go into the room and check where's the camera first.
Close the camera!
Oh. You not figure out at the end. At the end when he said, you ready to hear? I said, what's going on? That's all. I said, let me go in the living room, check where's the camera first.
I can never prank babe. Oh my God.
First, what's going on?
What? He didn't say anything and he closed the damn bathroom, the toilet door with the camera.
Sorry.
Oh, yeah. You see, I can't prank him no matter what I do.
You try.
I can't prank.
You get it one day. You get it one day.
The prank was supposed to be, I'm crying behind the door to see how you're gonna react.
Walk on your cry. Walk on your cry.
Oh my God. He said I have to work on my cry. I can't prank him. Well, that's a fail. But I tried. Babe, say I'm to work on my cry. I sound like a goose crying. It didn't sound like a real cry.
That sounds weird. But it's more like not you. You reached there. You already locked the door. Okay, well, that can be you. That really can be you. But then when you just say, "Nah, you ready to hear?" Like, what's going on? What the hell is going on?
He leave me in there crying. He literally left me in there crying and went to sit in the living room like, what are you doing?
No, but I know you. If you really cry and lock the door, what else can I do? What else can I do? Break the door? I just leave you behind the door. You just want to be alone. You just stay behind the door. If you really need me, then you open the door and say, okay, I need you. But otherwise, what should I do?
I tell you
come here,
smile.
I lock the door. What do you want to do? If you want to knock me down, then you try to open the door, but you can't open the door. Stupid.
Stupid prank. Anyway, you guys, I tried. It didn't work. I tried. I have to work on my prank skills. I tried. And you see, he went to look for the camera. He literally went and looked for the camera. Anyway, guys. Good afternoon and good night, you guys. I am up doing my routine for the morning to get my day going, all dressed, about to get Tyler ready for school, about to have my green juice, about to pick up Sarah and feed her same time. So of course, you know, the multitasking mama, that's all we do. We gotta do what we gotta do to get the do's done. So it's a brand new day, feels good, brand new opportunity to get things done and to give thanks. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. If it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. I'm gonna go drink my green juice, pick up my girl and get going throughout the day. Make sure you guys subscribe. New videos 5 days a week, Mondays to Fridays, and you'll see all the things that we do around here and how we get things done. And make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my workout channel at Body After Baby to follow along workout with me on a daily. You can just choose any workout that you want throughout the programs that I have on there. There are free workouts. Follow along with me for motivation, and if you have foot problem or injury problem, or you think you're too heavy for the high intensity workouts, there are low intensity workouts on there, because at this moment I am not 100% well on my leg, so I have to do low impact. So I'll be sharing some of those with you, so go ahead and check out my workout channel at Body After Baby. Yeah, something is there for everybody, so no excuses, no excuses. All right, let's go find the girl. Good morning. You're getting too excited. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? It's time for breakfast? Yes? Ready for breakfast? Let's go. Let's get breakfast, girl. It's time for breakfast. It's time for breakfast. Time for butter. Yet. Oh. Oh. Want some? She don't finish her butter, but yet she want my juice. You had a good sleep last night? Yes? You had a good sleep? I know you did. I didn't hear you all night. Hmm? Big girl. You're a big girl. Horsey. I'm going to play with your horsey. Who is that? Who is that? She's dancing. It's time to get ready for school.
Yes.
Okay, get up.
But before that, a little bit of grief.
Come. Just a little. Get up. Say morning to the face.
Morning, babe. Hello, hello, hello. I mean, you know what I'm crazy.
Yes, I know what you're gonna say.
One.
Bathroom. Come on. 1,
I'm doing
2, 3. Hello, Fibs. Good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. No? Nothing? Anyway, guys, we're about to the school run right now. Tyler, say bye-bye to the Fibs.
Ryan. Don't see.
Come back this way. You see yourself now.
No, I don't.
Yes, it's there.
No, I don't.
Tyler, say bye-bye, please, and let's go.
Later.
Go say bye-bye to Papa.
Au revoir, papa. Okay.
getting any work done right now. Sarah is taking a nap, so I'm taking that opportunity to make dinner and lunch real quick. And I'm making a minced beef, broccoli and carrot for dinner. And then I'll figure out what I'm gonna make for lunch today. Alright you guys, dinner is ready. Dinner is ready before lunch is ready. Can you imagine? That's done. And mixed veg is done. Yup.
So Frank was supposed to be, I'm crying behind the door to see how you're gonna react.
Walk on your cry. Walk on your cry.